Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. In this video, I'm going to show you a really interesting strategy which can earn you a lot of money in 2020. All you need to do is do some simple things. I'm not going to say that you are going to get rich with this method, but still you can earn a significant amount of money with this strategy, and this can really earn you a lot of money if you are going to plan it for a long term. Okay, so now let's get started and let me cover you the entire strategy so you can understand whatever I'm going to say and tell you in this video. This is really important, and now let's get started and let's jump to our computer screen. Okay, so now first you need to go to this website. First we need to go to one website and sign up on that website, and let me show you which is that website and how you are gonna sign up for that. So the first website which we need to go is known as addmefast.com. Now this is the website where you can earn points just by watching a YouTube video or doing Facebook likes and all this stuff, and after that you can use these points to get more likes, more followers and all that stuff to your own content, to your own videos, to your own Instagram, to your own Facebook, anything. Okay, but still we are going to monetize this method. In the end of the video, I'm going to show you how you can monetize this website and really make a lot of money with this website. You can earn up to $10 to $20 really easily with this strategy. Okay, so first you need to do is, let me show you how you can earn points with this website. And the best thing to earn points with this website is YouTube views. Now let me click on the YouTube views section, and here we open it. Okay, now just click on this view video tab and a video will play for you. And the best thing about this website is that the videos in this website don't have any audios. Okay, so that's really interesting because it's nothing annoying for you. All you need to do is play some videos and then use these points to get more likes and followers to your own content. Or how you are going to monetize this method is what I'm going to tell you in this video. So just let this video play for 30 seconds, and after 30 seconds you will see something would be there would be a graphic coming over here. So you can see there's a graphic over here. Now this video will stop automatically. Okay, I don't know why it didn't stop, but still you can see. Okay, so this is happening over here and you must play it for 30 seconds. Now so you can see the points have increased over here. I have just watched one video and you can see the points have been increased to 245 points. First they were 237 points. Now I am just watching this another video, and once this video is completed so now you can see that I just have to place this image in the right direction. Okay, so this is the right direction, I think, and maybe this one. Okay, this is the right direction. Okay, and just submit it, and you can see the points have increased. I have earned 6 points from this video. Now how can I use these points? Now I can use these points to get likes, shares and subscribers to my YouTube channel, or I can get this to get more likes on my Instagram and all that interesting stuff. Okay, so now to get that, you just have to click over here on this ad site. Now you just choose whatever you want. Okay, for example, you want Facebook shares, you want Facebook likes, etc. things. Okay, so let us and you can just select the country. There's no need you can select all the countries. Okay, then you can here place the title. Okay, now page URL, whatever the URL of your page, Instagram page or post, whatever you have, just post your link over here. Okay, then you just have to here just write down total number of clicks and how many points you are going to pay. Okay, you are using these points to earn yourself some likes, followers and etc. things. So you just have to provide that over here, and then you have to provide CPC over here, and then just place it for 10 CPC. Okay, and then click on save changes and your campaign will be started. Okay, so this is something which is really interesting, and one of the best thing about this is that if you sign up just one person on this website, you are gonna get 999 points. Okay, that's really insane because you can get 100 likes or 100 followers just by giving away 10 points every single time, and you can just only refer one person. Okay, anyone can refer one person. Just send it to your friends, families, and tell them to sign up, and if they sign up, you are gonna get 999 points. Now, how to monetize this? Okay, now I'm gonna tell you how you can monetize this. This video is inspired by someone else. I have given the link in the description of that person, so don't worry that not every day I can find new methods, but sometimes I just recreate some of the methods. Okay, so that's why I have given the link in the description, and you can also check out the original video of that person. Now you just have to go to this website, which is known as playerup.com, and just click on over here, which is Instagram accounts. Okay, now you just have to sign up for this website. It's really easy to sign up for this website, and anyone can sign up over here. Now you just have to you can sell anything. For example, you can sell your Instagram account. Okay, but no need to sell Instagram account. You can sell Instagram comments. Okay, so that's possible for you with this website. You can also sell Instagram followers. You can also sell Instagram likes. But what we are interested in is followers and likes. Okay, that's really simple, because selling this stuff is really easy. Okay, now just go to Instagram likes, buy, sell, and trade. Okay, and now you can see that 100 plus real likes on Instagram. This guy is selling it for $2. You can see this guy is selling Facebook likes. Okay, he's selling it for $9.99. Now you can see 1k likes. Okay, Instagram likes. Okay, so these people are selling all this stuff over here, and you can also sell all these things over here. You can sell Facebook likes, you can sell Instagram likes, you can sell Instagram followers, you can sell Facebook followers, any of the stuff, whatever you like, and you can sell that stuff over here and really make some real great money doing this very interesting and simple strategies to make money online. And a lot of people are earning a lot of money just by doing this really simple services, providing them and making a lot of money. Now, one thing which I'm sure that you are not gonna get rich with this strategy, but you can earn a significant amount of money just by doing this very simple stuff. Okay, so you can earn up to $100 every single month. So if you are a student who is willing to earn some money in 2020 with some easy strategies, then this can be a really great genuine method for you. Okay, but I'm not gonna say that you are gonna get rich by doing this stuff. Okay, but still you can earn some money, some pocket money, which you can spend on a good dinner, or which you can spend on whatever you want, or you can buy a new game. Okay, so that's all the stuff which you can do with this, and this is how this method works, and this method works worldwide. And one more thing is that you can also get more likes, followers to your affiliate pages, or if you are trying to grow Instagram affiliate page, if you are trying to grow your Facebook group or all that Instagram followers, then you can definitely grow your pages with this website, and you can get so many followers on your website with this strategy, and this works 100%. Okay, that's really interesting. This is how you increase your followers on Instagram or Facebook, or you can get more retweets on your content with this website. This can be really beneficial to you, and you can share your content to a lot more people using the power of this website. So this is really interesting, and this is the way to monetize it. But if you don't want to monetize, then you can just do affiliate marketing with this website by increasing more engagement on your Instagram pages or Facebook groups, so that you can make more money out of them. So this is really interesting, and this is really something which I like, because this can increase your business twice and make you earn more and more money in 2020. So if you got some value out of this video, just press the like button, as well as you can also check out all these other interesting methods on my channel, and I highly recommend you to watch this video, which is on $500 easily, because in this video I have shown a really interesting strategy that can really make you practically $500 every single month. You don't need to record yourself, you don't need to create any content, you don't need to write any script. Everything almost is done for you. All you need to do is take action on these strategies, and you can really start making videos and making money from YouTube as well as doing affiliate marketing. So just check out this video, link would be there. Okay, so go to my channel and check these videos, and as well as you can also check out other videos on my channel. They provide you a lot of value about make money online, affiliate marketing, online business. So we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching. And you can also check out our Instagram account. If you have any questions, you can ask me over there and I will give you a reply. Okay, we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.